Every masterpiece of sanitation begins with the earth. We start with the highest grade kaolin and quartz. Raw minerals are selected for their purity and structural stability under extreme thermal stress. The raw materials enter the ball mill, where they are pulverized into a microscopic powder. Precision sifting ensures that the final ceramic body will be free from internal structural flaws. Water and minerals are combined to create the slip, the liquid soul of the porcelain throne. We monitor viscosity in real time. The slip must flow perfectly to fill every corner of the mold. Magnetic filtration removes iron particles, preventing any dark spots from appearing after firing. The slip is aged for 24 hours to allow air bubbles to rise and the chemical composition to stabilize. Modern production utilizes high-pressure casting. The resin molds are engineered for 10,000 cycles. High-pressure casting forces the slip into the mold, creating a dense, uniform structure.
As water is drawn out, a solid layer of clay begins to form against the inner walls of the mold.
Precise tilting ensures that the internal trapway of the toilet remains clear and hollow. The greenware stage. The toilet is now solid but fragile, containing 20% moisture. Handling is fully automated to prevent any finger marks or structural deformation of the damp clay. Robotic fettling removes the seam lines left by the mold, creating a perfectly smooth exterior. Initial drying. We slowly reduce moisture to prevent the clay from cracking or warping. Every unit is measured against a digital twin. A deviation of 1 millimeter leads to immediate rejection.
The internal hydraulics are critical. We verify the smoothness of the trapway for a perfect flush.
Manual labor is replaced by high-precision finishing robots for a flawless surface.
The drying kiln removes the remaining moisture over 12 hours at a constant temperature.
Glazing. We apply a vitreous enamel coating that will turn into a glass-like shield. The glaze is applied at a thickness of exactly 1.2 millimeters for maximum durability. Total coverage. Every internal and external surface is coated to ensure the product is 100% non-porous. We infuse the glaze with silver ions, providing a permanent antibacterial surface for the user.
Prepared for the fire. The toilets are loaded onto kiln cars for their final transformation.
The tunnel kiln. A continuous firing process that operates 24 hours a day. Temperatures rise to 1,580 degrees Celsius. This is the point of vitrification. At 1,280 degrees, the clay particles fuse together and the glaze melts into a solid glass layer.
We maintain the peak temperature for 2 hours to ensure the ceramic is fully hardened.
The cooling phase. Slow temperature reduction prevents thermal shock and surface cracking.
From dull clay to brilliant porcelain, the transformation is complete.
The ring test. A clear, high-pitched tone indicates a solid structure with no internal cracks.
Vacuum testing ensures the trapway and bowl are airtight and leak-proof.
Performance verification. We test the flush power and water-saving efficiency of every unit. Engineering the flow. Our rimless design creates a high-velocity vortex for a cleaner bowl. Zero defects. Laser inspection identifies flaws invisible to the human eye. Assembly phase. We integrate the internal components with high-performance adhesives. High-durability valves tested for 200,000 cycles, are installed in the tank.
Final fitment. Soft close technology ensures silent operation and prevents damage.
Packaging for protection. Every unit is shielded before entering the box. Sustainable, high-strength packaging, engineered for global shipping. Precision placement. No physical contact between units to prevent surface scratches.
Total traceability. Every unit is linked to its production batch and quality report.
Data-driven logistics. Scan to view the full manufacturing history of the product. Palletization. Optimized for weight distribution and stability during transit. UV-resistant wrapping protects the product from environmental factors during storage.
Warehouse automation. AGVs transport the finished goods with zero human intervention. Our facility maintains medical-grade cleanliness to ensure the purity of our ceramic.
Sustainability. We capture 90% of the kiln's heat to power the drying tunnels.
Researching the next generation of ultra-lightweight ceramics. Over-engineering for safety. Our toilets support up to 400 kilograms of static weight,
Ensuring durability in extreme climates, from the Arctic to the equator.
Finishing touches. The aesthetics must match the industrial excellence.
hydrophobic coating. Our glaze repels waste and limescale, reducing cleaning time. Zero water waste. Every drop used in production is purified and returned to the cycle. Observing the molecular bond to ensure a crack-free lifespan of 50 years.
Computational fluid dynamics. Designing the silence of the flush.
Maintenance is key. We keep our kiln cars in pristine condition for a level bake. For the world's most prestigious hotels and private estates. High-speed bonding for a permanent, wiggle-free seat connection. Customization at scale. Laser etching allows for bespoke branding on ceramic.
Organizing the Porcelain Throne inventory for immediate global delivery.
Mechanical stability ensures the consistency of the clay powder.
Clean air commitment. Our factory produces 0.01% of the standard industry emissions.
Constant motion prevents the glaze minerals from settling at the bottom.
Engineering the silent flush. Performance without the noise.
Tactile perfection. Every interaction is designed for quality. Managing the flow to ensure the kiln never stops.
The eyes of the furnace. Monitoring the heat with 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy. Using light refraction to find surface irregularities on the porcelain. The mark of excellence. Ready for the home.
Shipping the Porcelain Throne to international markets.
Maintaining a dust-free environment for the health of our team.
Innovation is a constant, shaping the future of water management.
powering the pressure that shapes the clay.
The smoother the mold, the glossier the finished product. Every stage of production is optimized for speed and precision. Controlled environment for controlled results.
Diversified energy sources to maintain 100% production uptime.
The crystalline ingredients of a glass-like finish. Connecting our factory to 5 continents.
Rigorous testing ensures a one-flush promise for the consumer.
Circular manufacturing. We reuse 100% of our production waste.
Stability and force, shaping the throne.
Advanced metallurgy techniques applied to ceramic quality control.
The engineering of silence. A sanctuary of industrial realism.
Understanding the earth to build the future. Ensuring color consistency across 10,000 units.
The eternal fire of production. Bringing hygiene and luxury to the world.
Ensuring a perfectly flat base for a stable installation.
The elegance of the finished porcelain throne.
Better for the user, better for the planet.
Apex process, trusted globally.
Perfection in every drop. Excellence in every flush.
Apex process. Engineering the porcelain throne.